Today, we are going to discuss a pre-writing stage. Actually, essay writing appears to be very simple when we are just reading. You just go and open your book and you see that essay is written in the book and you feel that writing essay is very easy. But this is not the case, gentlemen. Essay writing is quite an quite a burdensome job, and it has a lot of technicalities. The writing process, init- the first, like the stage of writing an essay is pre-writing stage. As you can see on your screen, pre-writing. Pre-writing means before writing an essay, meaning before starting with our essay, there is a stage which is called pre-writing, and we have to go through that stage. So, first of all, see this writing process. Let me make it a bit big for you. You can see iceberg in front of you, and I hope you can also see this moving cursor as well. So if you see this iceberg, so this is tip of the iceberg, that is above the surface. This is the surface, and above this surface is tip of the iceberg, and almost 10 times bigger than this tip is under this surface. So essay writing is like this, gentlemen. The final product is just like a tip, but it involves lot of hard work. Well, so writing is actually a process. So what are some of the stages in this writing process? So let's first of all make ourselves familiarized with those stages. Like no writer can generate a perfect draft on the first attempt. The first line says, as you can see, no writer can write a perfect draft on the very first attempt. Most employ a writing process in which they begin with pre-writing and invention, then outlining, composing, revising, and editing. So all these are different stages of essay writing. You can see on your screen. First comes pre-writing and invention. Then after pre-writing, we do the outlining, and then we start composing, and then we uh, revise that composed draft, and then we go towards the final editing. So all these are actually the different stages of essay writing. So the aforementioned might suggest a linear process. ये चीज बेटा समझने की है, linear process. Linear means a process which goes in one direction. Linear कहते हैं कि जो एक लाइन में चलता रहे. Like uh, when you start moving, so you just keep on moving ahead. This is called linear process. So some people, they believe that this essay writing is always in this way. In which way? That first you do pre-writing, then you do invention, then you outline, then you compose, then you revise and edit. But this is not the case, dear students. Actually, what happens? Sometimes you pre-write, you do the pre-writing stage, you make an outline, you start composing, and then you go back from composing to pre-writing stage. You go back from composing to outlining stage. Sometimes you are in editing stage, in the final stage, but again you go back to the composing stage and outlining stage. Why? Because this is not a linear process. It is not a process which always goes into one direction ahead. No, it can go back. You sometimes go back, do everything again, then you come back again to the final stage, then you go back to outlining. So this process actually goes in this way. So what does it mean? It means कि if you want to write something, so don't be afraid. अगर आप कुछ लिखना चाहते हैं तो आप खौफजदा ना हो, because everybody writes, stops for a while, revises, then goes back, then writes, then composes. So things are not written just in single night or in a single day.
आवाज आ
Sometimes
रही
for
है?
writing an essay, people they need to work continuously whole week, and then the final finished product comes. So this is the writing process which I have just explained in front of you. Moving ahead towards some other important things. A writing process is not a product. What does it mean? It means that when you start writing, so the whole process is not visible for the reader. For example, if you are reading an essay written by someone who is expert of essay writing, so you will just read the last and final edited version of that essay. But the whole pain which he has gone through, the painstaking process of writing essay, you won't be able to watch that whole process, the pre-writing, the outlining, all these things. Okay. Now, what is pre-writing? More specifically, today we are going to discuss the pre-writing stage. And all of you must have a pen and a notebook next to you, because it is possible that during the lecture I might give you something to write about, and then you have to write and you have to make picture and share in the group or in some other places where I want you to share with me. So I hope you people are ready, and don't be afraid, don't be worried about the notes and the other material. That is my responsibility. When and where I feel that I need to give you notes, I will send you. Okay. And make sure everybody is in group, because the rest of the communication is always going to be through that group. Okay. So what is pre-writing? The pre-writing stage, when you begin generating ideas on your topic without focusing too much on organization and correctness, allows you to begin creatively and to truly explore the scope and potential of your topic. Also, breaking the writing process down into stages makes it less stressful and more manageable, and gives you time to figure out exactly what you want to develop and explore in your paper. So first of all, whenever you are set to uh, whenever you are set to write an essay, so don't be afraid. Just take it as a systematic process. So from one stage to other stage, you just have to move on, and then you will see that essay will be in front of you as a final product. Okay. So प्री राइटिंग स्टेज में कुछ स्ट्रेटजीज होती हैं, और आज अब हम उन स्ट्रेटजीज की तरफ बढ़ रहे हैं और उन पर हम गुफ्तगू करेंगे. देखिए बेटा, ऐसे लिखने से पहले सबसे पहले आप एक टॉपिक जो है वो चूज कर लेते हैं. अब जब आपने एक टॉपिक चूज कर लिया है, तो अब उसके बाद उस टॉपिक से रिलेटेड कंटेंट आपने जो है वो चूज करना होता है या वो लाना होता है. अच्छा, अब देखें कंटेंट जो होता है ना, वो मुख्तलिफ तरीकों से जमा किया जाता है. नाउ हाउ टू कलेक्ट इंफॉर्मेशन. One is making research. You go and you make research, okay, and you collect that information. Then there is another way that you just sit down and now the information which you already have in your mind, you start using that information which is already in your head. So the first strategy for taking out the knowledge inside your head, from inside your head to outside on the paper, the first strategy is called free writing. What is free writing? Free writing क्या है? Free writing is a technique that helps you generate content for an essay. अच्छा जी, गौर कीजिएगा अल्फाज पर. a technique that helps you generate content. यही बात मैंने की थी. ऐसे के लिए आपने कंटेंट निकालना है, इंफॉर्मेशन निकालनी है, तो वो इंफॉर्मेशन जो है वो फ्री राइटिंग के थ्रू आप जनरेट करते हैं. मैं आपको बताता हूं कैसे होगी. फ्री राइटिंग इज राइटिंग कंटिन्यूअसली. यू जस्ट टेक पेन, take notebook, and whatever you know about that topic, you start writing in your own words. You don't have to think that you are right or wrong. You don't have to think whatever you are writing is right or wrong. It is correct information or wrong information. You don't have to pay attention towards the sentences. These sentences are broken or there are mistakes, grammar mistakes, or anything else. You just leave yourself, you just let yourself go loose. आप बस लिखना शुरू कर देते हैं. जो दिमाग में आता है आप लिखते चले जाते हैं, लिखते चले जाते हैं. सो 5-10 मिनट तक आप अपने आप को आजाद छोड़ देते हैं. You just need to write whatever comes in your mind about that topic, and you do not make any corrections. Because there are no restrictions on structure, format, or length, free writing allows you the freedom to discover what you want to write about without any worrying. Without worrying about rules or expectations. So you just start writing, you don't worry, you just start writing. Why is it important? Acha. It provides you with the raw material to help you start writing an essay. Raw material आपको मिल जाता है जो आपने फाइनल प्रोडक्ट में जिसको आपने चेंज करना है. It helps you to bypass your internal critic who can make it difficult for you to explore your thoughts and ideas. It is very interesting, you know. Everybody is afraid of writing, and everybody thinks that he or she does not write. He or she cannot become a writer. But I believe, my dear students, that if you are with me throughout these classes and you do whatever I want you to do, believe me, when your this course will finish, have become a good writer. You will see a good writer coming out of you. But you just have to follow the instructions, and you just have to do all those assignments which I am going to assign you in future. ओके अच्छा देखें अब यहाँ पे ना जो फ्री राइटिंग है, थोड़ा उर्दू में समझा दूं. ये होता ये है बेटा कि आपको एक टॉपिक दिया गया है और आप बस उस टॉपिक पर लिखना शुरू कर देते हैं. कुछ भी अल्लम गलम उल्टा सीधा आपके दिमाग में आया आप बस लिख दें, लेकिन ये टॉपिक के बारे में होना चाहिए. अब देखें, एज आई हैव जस्ट टोल्ड यू कि आप के पास नोटबुक हो और पेन हो, and I hope all of you have collected that notebook and pen. Now I want you to write anything which comes in your mind about the topic. What was the topic? I just shared with you the benefits of drinking plenty of water. बेटा आपको मैं 3 मिनट दे रहा हूं, आप लोगों के पास नोटबुक भी है, पेन भी है, जस्ट लिखें अपने टॉपिक के हवाले से। टॉपिक में आपको दोबारा दिखा देता हूं और फिर आप उसको व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में शेयर करेंगे। अभी वहां एडमिन ओनली है, मैं उसको चेंज कर दूंगा, मैं उसको चेंज कर दूंगा। दिस इज योर टॉपिक, यू कैन सी द बेनिफिट्स ऑफ ड्रिंकिंग प्लेंटी ऑफ वाटर, ज्यादा पानी पीने के फायदे, ठीक है। ओके, बिफोर यू स्टार्ट योर दिस टास्क, सो जस्ट होल्ड ऑन फॉर अ व्हाइल, एक मिनट रुक जाइए, कुछ जरूरी चीजें हैं वो मजीद पढ़ लेते हैं, फिर आप फ्री राइटिंग कीजिएगा। इट गिव्स यू कॉन्फिडेंस, because it's first class, so that's why I'm a bit lenient in this way, that people, they are coming even till now when the first 40 minutes are about to finish, but I know how to lock the class. So guys, you have to be punctual. Everybody must be within the first 10 minutes of the class, inside the class. You getting me? शुरू के 10 मिनट में तमाम लोग कोशिश करें क्लास में आ जाएं, क्योंकि अगर ये सिलसिला जारी रहा तो इट इज पॉसिबल कि मैं क्लास को लॉक कर दूं, तो फिर कोई आदमी आ नहीं सकेगा। ओके, it helps you develop your own unique writing voice and promotes a solid flow or rhythm to your sentences. It gives you an easy way to begin any piece of writing and helps you surpass writer's block. How do I do it? आप इसको कैसे करेंगे? Start with a blank piece of paper or blank computer screen. Give yourself a minimum 5 minutes of uninterrupted time to free write. 5 मिनट के लिए बस लिखते रहें, बस वो टॉपिक से रिलेटेड हो। Write a few words at the top of the page to get you started and keep you focused, such as the general topic of your essay or assignment or a quote. एक जो टॉपिक है वो ऊपर लिख दें और उसके बाद उस टॉपिक को देखते रहें और जो कुछ आपके जहन में आ रहा है वो जो है वो आप लिखते जाएं। Try to keep writing without stopping, क्रॉसिंग आउट, रुके भी नहीं, दोबारा मुड़कर देखें भी नहीं, कुछ मिटाएं भी नहीं, बस लिखते रहें। इवन इफ व्हाट यू आर राइटिंग सीम्स लाइक इट इजंट करेक्ट और परफेक्ट, कीप गोइंग। अगर चाहिए लगे कि यार सही नहीं, गलत लिख रहा हूं, बट स्टिल यू शुड कैरी ऑन। दिस इज द की टू फ्री राइटिंग, ये बात याद रखें, ये जुमला है बहुत काम का। दिस इज द की टू फ्री राइटिंग, दिस इज द की टू फ्री राइटिंग। आपने रुकना नहीं है, आपने लिखते चले जाना है। गो फॉर 5 मिनट्स विदाउट स्टॉपिंग। और 5 मिनट तो वैसे कह दिया, आप आधा घंटा लिखते रहें, वट एवर कम्स इन योर माइंड। ये जब आप लिखेंगे तो देन यू विल सी दैट you always underestimated yourself. You have lot of content inside you, lot of information inside you, but you never had opportunity to let that information come out of you.